Polaris have been in the game over 40 years now, so they understand that sometimes you don't need to buy the whole kit. Maybe you purchased a new caravan with a different brand of camera already installed, or you've upgraded your car. Polaris can help you build a custom kit to suit your needs. Do you already have a caravan with a Polaris camera on it and you need parts for your tow vehicle? Polaris offer a tow vehicle kit which will give you everything you need to marry up your car to your caravan. The kit can either come with a 5-inch monitor or a 7-inch monitor, a 7-metre cable and the car side of the Wazza kit, which gives you the chrome socket that you need to plug your curly cord in. If you've bought a new caravan and you need to install a new Polaris camera to marry up with the existing gear in your tow vehicle, then Polaris offer a caravan kit which will give you a 10-metre Wazza cable and an infrared camera to mount on the back of your caravan. The 10-metre Wazza cable gives you a chrome socket to mount on the A-frame of your caravan. If you've bought a new caravan with a different brand of camera on it, no worries. Polaris can still offer you a car kit or maybe integrate into your factory screen. Polaris offer adapter cables to suit various A-frame plugs, or they can blend your current wiring to suit a Polaris system. And this is normally done by Polaris themselves or a reputable dealer. So go to the website polarisgps.com.au or give them a call 1300 555514 and see if one of their experts can help you today.